Okay, it's a quick video today just to demonstrate the key differences between the two designs of cross clips that our company produce. The original design is basically just a cross that forms 90-degree angles. Now, these clips are normally used for making grids, and they can be used for diamond-shaped grid patterns, but it's a slightly more complex affair to do that with these. So we actually designed a new clip, which is a multi-angle clip, which allows the cable or the rod in the system to articulate at the back to find its own angle. It's a design which we've worked quite hard to produce, and I'll just try and show you exactly what the benefit of it is. This is the larger type of our cross clip. Now, with all these clips, there's a deep slot and a shallow slot. Now, usually the cable runs in the deep slot, and that would normally run vertically up a wall, supporting the system. And then either cable or rod sits horizontally across in the shallower slot. I'll show you with the rod because it's the right size for that clip. And that forms the grid. And then these are held in place with a little set screw that literally just clamps down either against the outer cable or rod to hold the system in place, like so. Okay, now just to show you the key difference with the new type of clip. Okay, there's a slot that runs all the way around the back of the clip on both sides. Now, what that allows you to do is get articulation through from 90 degrees almost back to zero, and that allows you to form much more intricate shapes in the grid system. I'll just show you how that works in reality. So what actually happens is once the two parts are assembled together, the actual back section would be the support that runs up the wall, and the angles formed by this front section being trapped and then moving the slot around the support cable or rod, and that can form the angles. Then once you have the angles that you want, you literally just tighten the grub screw and it's set in place. All the fittings are tapped in the back with a metric thread. This is an M8 thread in the larger fitting, and in the smaller fitting it's an M6 thread. It's worth pointing out that the new multi-angle small clip from our mini system will actually take up to 3mm cable now, whereas the old style cross clip will only take up to 2.5mm cable. And all the fittings can mount onto any part that has metric threads, but primarily they were designed for our trellis pillars, like this little mini pillar here. And you can see, here's the new part. You just literally screw them on, and it's all pretty modular, and it'll actually, there you go. And then this pillar would then affix to the wall and actually give some structural strength to the system. The clips between the pillars though can just float in the air, so you'll see on the designs on our site that you can pretty much make any design you want using these clips.